Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to answer a question of one of our YouTube viewers about the rear bearing on his roaster. So let's go back out there so I can show you. But before we do that, push that subscribe button on YouTube. It allows YouTube to recommend the content to more people. Hey guys, as promised, now we're going to talk about the rear bearing or the back bearing. This is the bearing that is in the back of this motor, and this is what they call a dry grease sealed bearing. There's no need for you to try and put any grease in here. If you notice, if I were to put it here, I can hear a sound, and imagine when it has a load on, which the shaft, it's gonna make it even more. So don't worry about it. It's by design. This is a bearing that comes from I guess Italy, but it's dry grease. So when you hear it back, when you're running your unit and you hear this churning sand back here, it's coming out of this thing. So that means that the dry grease is what's making the noise. So don't panic. There's nothing wrong with the bearing. I get these calls repeatedly. I hear the back is, especially if it's if you're roasting, because it gets hot. But that's all there is to this bearing. 2 screws. There's no need to replace it. If you have to replace it, we can help you. We sell those, and that's what's back here. So I hope that helped you, and stay safe out there.